Dòmhnall Angaidh go bhfuil blú chartas I geallte ag ALBA le ball-coise. Chartas a fácail móran idir beoghhacha le sé dhéim, agus na fadachcaine na sin na luib, agus ach an halúgadais gach fiscartí sarne. Ach an geall ag ball-coise le chompanaidhean geall, chartas sa bhfuil buach na billion in nóchtíchan an dhéitin, a fácail go bhfuil móran gain didibh I bhí man gúirs de spáirs. Réad chomisin na geall, hat Michael 100,000 sa riach gúnichte idir beoghhacha le bhí cúd geall, gyda cúdgan a bheach go bhfuil an ficad na sárste.
Football was my thing. I always put on a football curtain. Football curtain was always my thing. And then 2004-05, the Labour government decided to open up reform, as they called it, but allowed bookmakers in the high street to put in 4 machines, which was an electronic roulette machine known as an FOBT machine, otherwise known as crack cocaine. The crack cocaine machines are gambling. And they enticed us in with free bets, free spins and stuff like that, competition time in the bookies, and before you know it, you're spinning hundreds of pounds. Your day's earnings in my case.
Da bhóran sa ringaibh geallachud agus cosachad fallaf na dhéarasad. Ach da dhéanile leid Moireasdan hat gain uavasach didibh sin a dhéanamh. Chim a triplid a surintin na luib. Triplid an inavis, triplid an sláinte inchin, agus strain hit carstasan in miscéile.
All it done was cause harm for myself, my family, and everybody around about me. A tragedy occurred in our family, and our 29-year-old son took a heart attack and lost his life. And that made me realise that I was in the fog. I was there, but I wasn't there. I was too into this gambling and debt.
Va bás a bhach go mór mar fárs gan növer gan de bhainche gan dùthaich ghiad. Huada sin tro Gambling Anonymous agus bhó heolbach.
Along with being in recovery, I call it, I'm in discovery, because I'm discovering so much about myself and so much about my family, so much what I lost out on. And we can never get our son back. We can never get our son back. So this is a motivation for me on a personal basis that I can do something that maybe make him proud.
Ha Moireasdan in isiste sás sin nimmers the big step, a háisí hanna dábíle san nung geag. Hat a gamas is statachud sponsairachd agus sanasachd for chompanaidhean geall an ball-coise. An ada hógalchuna hat a gianamh bead a cashmach at stadium in fiach na riach gúnichte.
We've done one from Scotland to England. We've done one from Celtic to Rangers to Hampden Park and Partick Thistle and Hearts. And there is a few clubs in Scotland who are on board with declining gambling sponsorship. You imagine 20 Embassy Eagle on a football top now, we would all cringe. And back in the day, the tobacco industry claimed that sport wouldn't survive without tobacco money. And now the gambling industry is using the same claim.